Custom recipes can be added within your profile. Enter the recipe name and choose a main category from the drop-down list. Next, choose a subcategory. Then click Add Custom Recipe. Build your recipe by adding foods to the recipe ingredients area by searching the food database for each of the ingredient items. Enter the number of servings specific to the entire recipe, not one serving. Continue searching and adding ingredients without closing the food search dialog box. Make sure you properly adjust the number of servings and the actual measure of the servings. Once you have completed adding all of the ingredients to the recipe ingredients area, you can then type the preparation instructions. To do this, click on the Preparation tab, type the ingredients, and save your work. Don't forget to enter the number of servings that this particular recipe will make in the servings area. The recipe will be saved and displayed in a PDF format. You now can access the recipe in the food database and searching for it as you would any normal food. You also can be specific by searching within the category Custom Recipes to see all of your recipes and select from the list.